Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another unboxing video with Jasper Miller Landscaping. Today we're going to be unboxing the Stihl MS171. So we've got our tool, mini screwdriver, chain, also ordered engine oil, bar protector, a bar, instructions, and last but not least, the chainsaw. So I just want to give a massive shout out to Sam Turner and Sons Limited. That's who I ordered this off. It cost me £197.99, and that included the chainsaw oil and delivery and all VAT and taxes. Sam Turner and Sons were brilliant. They're not paying me for this. Once I'd ordered, they sent me an email just saying, "Hello Jasper, we wanted to take a second to thank you for your business and recent purchase from our website. If you have any other questions or if there's anything else we can help you with, please reach out to us without hesitation." You know, that was straight after I ordered off them. I thought customer service was brilliant, communication was brilliant. It was here when it said it was. You know, I paid for what I got. Brilliant bit of kit. A little bit of information about the Stihl MS171. The engine's got 1.7 brake horsepower. Power head weight is 4.3 kilograms. Chain oil capacity is 180cc. Fuel capacity is 280cc. Bar length for this is 12 inch to 16. I went for the 12 inch because I'm not going to be using it all the time. Just a bit of landscaping, cutting down trees, cutting the end of railway sleepers off, you know.